acid reflux. It is the excess of acid in the stomach that causes heartburn and sometimes gastric reflux. The biological sense of producing more acid is to break down a hard to digest morsel. I have fed on something very heavy and indigestible. As we know, the biological unconscious doesn't differentiate between real and symbolic. So it perceives that I fed on something that emotionally has been very heavy, very indigestible. My stomach will increase the secretion of gastric juices. Conflict of indigestible disappointment. What it is? Indigestible disappointment is called those situations that we live that generate anger, and a feeling of injustice. If I have heartburn, I have to ask myself in which area of my life I am receiving an emotionally indigestible food. It can be my boss at work, my partner, my father, my coach, etc., who says or does unacceptable things to me. What is the situation in my life that I do not digest? Suppose that I'm constantly living with someone who treats me badly, who criticizes me, who offends me if I'm wrong, or who orders me or shouts at me for things from me. Internally, I feel that this situation is mistreatment. It is unfair. It is something that I do not accept. But despite everything, I continue to maintain my relationship because I'm afraid of separating or leaving my job, because I need to live it to sustain myself, and I have to swallow my anger, my thoughts, and continue to endure this indigestible bite that is this person is giving me. Living all the time in a stressful situation with people or circumstances that I do not tolerate, that I do not digest, makes me feel that life is a struggle, that I'm fighting against something, against someone, or against some attitudes of mine that bother me, and how the emotional conflict is of not being able to digest something. We will damage the gastric mucosa because obviously we will produce more gastric acid. So that one effervescent tablet is not going to treat, it's only going to suppress. As its name indicates, heartburn is a sign that something, a situation, an event, a person burns us, makes us acidic, makes us angry. I feel the need to attack around me, those around me. I want to answer him, to defend myself. I swallow my rage, my anger. I'm acid because I'm invaded by all those around me. Do you resonate? Think you need to shift. The exterior is bitter. It attacks me and puts me in danger. I can also cause heartburn in those situations in which I don't know how to say no. And I take on responsibilities that do not correspond to me, and instead of speaking to delegate or ask for help, I judge and criticize the behavior of others. If you tend to have heartburn, you may be a person who complains and get angry easily when something other than what you want or expect happens. Are you that person? Keep watching. Therefore, as long as you live all day angry, as long as you swallow and do not digest situations, you are at a risk of damaging your stomach. Therefore, the next time, before getting angry and burning inside, you have to become aware and learn to see things differently. You have to change your attitude, your way of reacting, acting, perceiving your environment, and discovering the causes of anger, your distress, your intolerance, your stress. Discover why you do not digest certain situations, and this will make you heal your stomach. Ask yourself, where are you being rigid? Where are you resisting? Where are you not going with the flow? The person who suffers from heartburn needs to learn to incorporate to accept the reality of life. Lack of acids in the stomach, opposition with the outside, they devour me. Is that your thought? Think about it again. Your health is very important. Take care of your mental health so that your physical health is fine, nice, elegant, and upscale. This is Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, your life coach and metaphysician, helping you smash your challenges in the areas of relationships, mental health and wellness, and emotional well-being. Today, we talked about the metaphysical reason of acid reflux. Until next time, that's very soon. Remember that you got you and you're so very good enough. And I love you just the way you are.